So we started with a short row of 11 chains, and then we single crocheted back loops only across, except on one side we kept it single crochet through both loops. We made that rectangle long enough to reach all the way around the dog's neck. Then we started with a new color, and attaching about an inch or an inch and a half in from one side, we crocheted across until we were about an inch and a half from the other side. Then we worked that rectangle flat with an increase until we got to around the widest point of Toby. Then we added these long straps that are single crochet rows. Then we worked out a few rows straight. In this situation, we only had to do this to a certain size because Toby is so small. If you were making this for a larger dog, you'd continue your increase and then you would work out straight for their belly, same way you do for this, just bigger. And then you would start decreasing. You may not need to decrease quite so far. It's totally customizable. This is just for the Chihuahua size. We decreased every other row, switching colors. Occasionally we did a yellow, gray, yellow, gray, yellow, and then I switched back to the collar color to do the final few rows of decrease. Then we did that slip stitch round after we did a single crochet round in the gray. How cute does that look? I love the way those straps turned out. Look how thick they are. So pretty. So how this is gonna work, it'll go over your dog's head, then you crisscross the straps underneath their tummy like that, and then you can tie a nice little bow just over top, and it looks super cute when they're walking around with a little bow. Now, let me show you how Mr. Toby looks in it. Ta-da! What do you think? Is this not the cutest thing? I know it's a basic dog sweater, but I think that it is an awesome staple to have. If you've got a little dog like I do, he's gonna be cold as soon as I start to feel cold. It's very easy to feel chilly when you're 4.5 pounds, so adding a little bit of a sweater in for the fall weather is going to be perfect for him, and I think these colors really speak to that fall vibe. I think he looks really cute in it, and I think he's also going to just love it because he loves being warm and cozy. But what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you liked this video, leave a like, thumbs up the video. It really helps the channel grow, and I'd really appreciate it. All right, friends, let me throw it to the outro. And well, friends, that's it. The easiest little dog sweater. This pattern is my go-to for dog sweaters because it's so easy to modify for whatever size dog you've got. You just have to make a collar, and then you work out from the collar to get over the shoulders of your dog. You can see Toby is totally comfortable in his new dog sweater. And doesn't he look handsome? Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching.